fantastical.
You want to have these memories. We had to send it back.
Yeah. Amazing, right?
Yeah, she
I've had it
uses
for
this
a
thing
while.
all the time.
And this is the medicine that saved my life the second day when I got sick.
One of my other favorite things that I had was my shorty shorts.
Especially when you got a sunburn.
Don't say it again, I'm gonna blank it out.
Okay.
Stop saying it. Blank. One of my favorite parts. You guys know. You guys know.
Oh, okay.
I may have.
Let that be known when I buy something that I have too much of.
All right, our product review of our cruise to Mexico. I want to start off with my number one, I think, my bidet. She makes fun of me for, I got a portable bidet, and she was kind of making fun of me for it.
I roast him all the time because he has to have a bidet.
Yeah, I love the bidet.
We'll just leave it at that.
Okay. You know, I'm going to take that back. That is not my number one.
Really? I'm shocked.
My number one is going to be the action camera I got.
Oh, yeah, we use that a lot.
And it's the DJI
Osmo?
5. You know, you go on these vacations. It's hard to remember all this stuff that you did.
We have a video about it.
Do we have a couple videos? Have we reviewed it yet?
I don't think so.
When you go on these trips like this, after a year or so, it's hard to remember. And pictures
Don't do justice.
They don't do any. It's just a picture. If you actually take a video camera, I always used to hate when I'd see people out.
Big old camcorders and
yeah,
stuff.
and this thing is so small. It does a really great sound.
Yes.
And video.
It's so easy to use.
Yeah.
Just hit that button and you were recording.
And it's like powered off. It takes like no time to power it on.
Yeah. Super easy.
But you want to have these memories, and getting something like that would really.
Yes.
Yeah.
We love it.
Yeah, we actually had it. We got another video of the GoPro. So I'm like, I'm gonna get a GoPro because that's the number one. We had to send it back.
Yeah.
It did not record a couple times.
The battery wouldn't last long at all.
Yeah, and this battery on this thing is just insane.
I mean, it was all day, 5 hours at the beach.
Yeah, I know we're doing it for YouTube, but I wish we would have done it on all of our other trips.
Yeah.
I mean,
we know now.
just to have for us the memories.
Yep.
Because like on my phone, I get like a daily thing that shows you like your memories.
Yeah, I'll show you memories.
I look at that every day.
Yeah.
Do you look at
yours?
yours?
Yeah, pretty much. It's kind of sad. You see your kids when they're little.
Okay, what did you say your first one? Your number one?
Probably out of these two. So this I was another cruise person I watched on YouTube.
And
it's a medicine organizer.
Wow.
And so before we went, I took my handy dandy label maker. This is a Nimbot. This thing is amazing, right?
Yeah, she
I've had
uses
it for
this
a
thing
while.
all the time.
And so I knew what I was going to take, and I printed off my own labels.
And this works with your phone.
Yep, and it instantly connects.
Yeah,
it's great.
How long have you had this?
Probably 2 or 3 years.
Yeah, we'll put the thing up
yeah, the
here.
link or forward or the picture. But so you carry this. I still carry it in my purse, but this is what I took, and this is the medicine that saved my life the second day when I got sick, because I had it in my bag with me when we were walking around the ship.
Well, let's talk about this. What was the thing that you didn't use? Someone told you to bring.
Oh, the water bottles. I mean, I seen people suggesting even taking a big Stanley.
Yeah, like they want you. And so she buys this water bottles
I saw
because
these really nice water bottles with a really nice handle.
these cruise people that you're watching, you probably watched a few cruise videos if you're watching this right now. They're suggesting this stuff that you don't need. Like there was water everywhere.
You could go to even a bar. You could walk up and say, "Can I have a cup of water, ice water, whatever." It is so bulky carrying those water bottles around.
Yeah.
It's inconvenient if you're going if you were going shopping on the boat.
I can't imagine carrying around a water
inconvenient.
bottle.
It's not worth it. I don't suggest doing it.
Put in the comments if you feel the same way or if you like having a water bottle. I don't know.
He
I
never
agree
used
with
the
her.
one I took him.
Yeah.
It stayed in the room the whole time.
Never ever. Now I can understand if we kept it in the room and like took it back to the room, that would have been nice. There was always water everywhere.
Yeah. I mean,
or drinks,
if
whatever.
worse come to worse, there was a cup in the room, you could just get it out of the faucet. I mean.
All right, I'm going to say my suitcase. I bought a new suitcase
We got that at Marshall's, right?
Yes, before we left. And I'll put on Amazon the link if I can find that same suitcase. But we got a deal on it from Marshall's. That really nice. It's a hard plastic. I recommend the hard plastic ones. Get you a hard plastic suitcase
with a 0 turn.
Yeah. What's your next one?
So I would probably say the charger. This thing is
the
Mac Daddy of charging. So you have your cord
It's
to
got
actually charge the unit. iPhone, what was that?
USB-C,
and then the micro. And then you had plug-ins here and on the side. We ended up using this several nights to plug in all of our devices, to charge things.
Let's show this while we're showing.
Yeah.
This fan.
So I got this on Amazon because we always sleep with a fan at home. We had to have a fan just for the noise.
And it was loud enough.
Yeah.
But we had like this plugged into that, something else plugged into that. We had some, is it battery power or is it got to power off this?
You can do either. Well, maybe not.
I don't really care about showing it, but yeah, there it is. If you can hear that. Oh, that feels good.
Or see the light.
See the light?
So we used it and then we also had a sound machine for some noise. So that was plugged in there because on this ship, it was an older ship, so you didn't have all these USB ports.
Yeah, we forgot to mention, that was one of the bad parts about it.
You've got to get creative.
We should have got a bigger thing with more USB connections on it.
But this thing, I still keep it in my purse. I use it quite a bit. We'll link it. It's really, and this would be a great Christmas gift too.
Okay. One of my other favorite things that I had was my shorty shorts.
Especially when you got a sunburn.
So we went to, was that at Marshall's too?
Yeah.
So I went to Marshall's and they like a Hurley brand. I'll try to find a link or something.
Well, there was everything on clearance because it was it was the fall. So everything, we got a good deal on all kinds of stuff.
I had fell and hurt my knee pretty bad. I fell and hurt it. We could see the aurora in Indiana and it was amazing. So I'm rushing in to tell her and I fell down and hurt my knee. But these shorts were short where they didn't go down past my knees and it wasn't hurting.
Yeah, he had a horrible scab. It was awful looking. It was hurting him every time the material touched.
Yeah.
So he got his shorty shorts.
My shorty shorts. I bought some Hawaiian shirts, which you've already seen them. Found a brand that was just awesome. They weren't too expensive, but they was really nice. We actually had some come in and I bought more.
Yeah, there was at least one we didn't like. It didn't stretch. It was just, the material wasn't nice. But then those others, they were great.
I also, is there anything else up here?
Yeah, so I got this to hold our passports. So our passports went here, and then I kept money in this side. You could do your IDs, your credit cards, all that. It has the strap here, and then there's another strap inside, so you could use it as like a crossbody. But I kept our passports in there, so it was easy to get out of my bag, and it's RFID protected as well.
I had a backpack that I bought for a
European vacation.
And we didn't go because of COVID.
Can you say COVID?
Oh.
I couldn't say COVID.
Don't say it again. I'm going to blank it out.
Okay.
Stop saying it. Blank. Yeah, we couldn't go. I had it all planned out. I had everything planned out.
So we got these wonderful suitcases.
I mean,
backpacks.
Backpacks. And this thing is awesome. It's
it would have been our carry-on. So we wouldn't have had to take luggage actually with us if we went to Europe. It was
but we was going to be flying, riding trains, flying again.
I mean, he had it all planned out. Yeah. We were just waiting to make the payment.
It was going to be for our 20th anniversary, and we've never went.
What shall not be named occurred, and we couldn't go.
Yeah.
But anyways, somebody actually recognized this backpack.
Well, he didn't recognize it. He said, "That's a nice backpack." It is a nice
That's
backpack.
when we were packed in like sardines.
Yes. Yeah. We was face to face. Like, one of my favorite parts. You guys know. Okay, we did the suitcase, the camera, the backpack.
The ID holders I bought sucked.
Yeah.
Oh man, they were bad.
Like them.
You couldn't get your card out because you have to get your card out quite a bit when you're on a cruise to make payments at desks and different things like that.
And I'll put them down in the link, and I'll put like a don't buy beside the stuff that we don't recommend, but we bought. I'm not going to do that with the cups. I'll put them down there, but the cups was fine. We just didn't think we needed them.
They're nice. I mean, I'll probably use them eventually.
They're recommending all this stuff.
And you don't need it.
You're
because overpacking.
They're trying to sell you stuff. Hardly any.
And I will say the other thing was the little hooks that were magnetic.
Yeah,
so the walls on a cruise ship room are metal. So you get these little magnetic hooks. And I had my purses, my hat, his hats, our lanyards were all on those little hooks. Very inexpensive. I'm talking like $6 on Amazon for a package. So we'll be sure to link those. But that is something we did use.
And talking about hats, I bought these hats on Amazon. And the reason I bought these hats is because we was at
Black Rifle Coffee Company.
$35 for a hat with
their emblem, their logo.
And it's like, that's insane. This is the same hat.
So they're buying them in bulk and then having somebody embroider that on there.
Some of these I paid like $7 for. If you guys know how expensive hats are, it's getting ridiculous. And I love this hat. My work actually, my boss, he buys like the best stuff. Like Christmas, he gets us all Carhartt hoodies and jackets and whatever. He uses these hats, this brand for the hats. And I think it's a Richardson 111 or whatever.
And you get them in several different colors, but he really likes those.
It's a 112, Richardson 112. Awesome hat. Just a great hat. If you guys need a hat, this is your hat. Is there anything else that we can think of? Oh, I want to talk about my Oakley sunglasses. Those sunglasses I've had for at least 10 years, maybe longer, maybe 15 years.
And you used to go through them a lot more than that, and to have one pair like this long.
No, well, that's not the case. She I don't know if she thinks I never lose sunglasses.
You don't order them as much as you used to.
Well, that's because I have so many of them.
Oh, okay.
I may have...
Let that be known when I buy something that I have too much of.
I may have 10 pairs of Oakleys. No. It's like I've got the metal ones, and I love them too. But I've been going back to the plastic ones. But I got 2 sets of the metal ones in different colors because I like the color match. Is that crazy?
He's slightly extra.
Yeah, I'm a lot extra. A lot of those sunglasses, though, I did not pay full price. I would buy them off eBay. And there is a problem with eBay. You have to watch out for counterfeit.
Fake, yeah.
And I actually bought some Ray-Bans off there. And these was the most, because I want some aviators. And I bought them, and they was amazing. But they was counterfeit.
Yeah.
So you have to look, and you have to know how to tell
it has
counterfeit.
To be a reputable
But you
seller.
can feel, like, if you get a pair of sunglasses that cost you, I forget what I paid for those ones I got, maybe $80 or something like that, maybe $50 off of eBay. They've lasted that long. Such a good quality brand. It's just amazing. And even those metal ones, those are like $200 a piece for those metal ones. And I bet I paid half of that for both of them.
I did buy a 2-pack of sunglasses before we went, and I really liked them. I forgot about those.
Yeah, you just probably bought the cheapos because...
Yeah, but they had amazing reviews. I'm the one that goes through the sunglasses.
Yes. She loses them.
I throw them in my purse. You don't have a purse.
Them.
Like, goes in my purse and then gets scratched up by my keys. So I got an actual case for them now. So maybe they'll last longer.
I don't need that. I don't lose them. I think that's it. That's our...
Yeah, if you have any questions about any of this stuff, let us know. If you guys have any more suggestions, let us know.
Yeah, just put them in the bottom down there. We love to hear from you guys. We've been getting all kinds of good comments. And
we've enjoyed it.
It's been amazing. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.